everyone. Whether it's the phone in your hand or a coin in your pocket, everything around us is made of special magic called matter. I am your Marathi Lecturewali and today we are going to explore the amazing physical properties of matter with some fun experiment you can do right at home. Let's dive in. First, let's talk about mass. Mass is the amount of matter packed into an object. Think of it as how much stuff inside experiment. Look at these two glass. One is empty and one is full of water. When I lift them, the full one feels heavier. Why? Because it has more water molecules inside, meaning it has more mass. So student, first property of matter is called mass. Next is inertia. This is the laziness of an object. Objects like to stay exactly as they are. If they are sitting still, they want to stay still. Watch this. I have a glass, a coin and a cardboard. A cardboard piece on top and a coin. When I flick the cardboard quickly, zap. The cardboard flies away, but the coin drops straight into the glass. The coin didn't want to move because of its inertia. Elasticity is the ability of material to return to its original shape after we stretch it. So, third property of matter is elasticity. See this rubber band, when I pull it, it changes shape. But the moment I let go, snap, it's go back to its original shape. This bounce check quality is called elasticity. How do we know if something is hard? It's by checking if it resists, becomes scratch or dented. So, fourth property is hardness. Hardness. Let's try a test. I have a piece of chalk and a metal nail. If I rub the nail against the chalk, the nail easily leaves a mark. But I try to scratch the nail with a chalk. Nothing happens. This proves the nail has more hardness. Some things look strong, but they break easily into tiny pieces. This is called brittleness. Take a biscuit or a piece of chalk. If I apply a little pressure, crackle. It shatters into small bits instead of bending. This is brittleness is an action. Next property is porosity. Porosity means having tiny invisible holes that can soak up liquids. I will drop some water on this dry sponge. Look, the water disappears. The sponge drank the water because it is porous. It has tiny pores that hold the liquid. Have you seen aluminum foil? That's thanks to malleability. The property where metals can be beaten into thin sheets. Think of a blacksmith hitting hot iron with a hammer. Instead of breaking like a biscuit, it flattens out. That's why we can make plates and sheets from metal. And last property is ductility. Finally, we have ductility. This is the ability to stretch a material into long, thin wires. The copper wires inside our electric cables are made this way. Gold is too ductile that just 1 gram of it can be stretched into a 2 kilometer long wire. Imagine that. So, my dear student, these 8 properties are the personality traits of everything we see around us. Science isn't just in books, it is in rubber bands, the biscuit, and the water bottles in our house. Did you enjoy this experiment? Tell me in the comment. I am your Marathi Lecturewali and I will see you in the next class with more scientific magic. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. Keep experimenting and keep learning. Goodbye.